Sridhar, and who is the other person? Vishal. Yeah, Sridhar and Vishal.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Vishal.
Good morning, sir.
Sridhar. Where is Sridhar?
Sir is joining, sir. Just give us 2 minutes.
Okay,
Please.
ma. Okay, not issues, not issues. Yeah, he joined. Sridhar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's start with Vishal.
Yeah, you can start.
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Vishal. I can hear you.
Sir. Our project title is Smart Gardening System. Here we are proposing an IoT-based smart gardening system to ensure the low water consumption, sir. So the usage of water can be minimized. Here in this project, we are using soil moisture sensor, NodeMCU Wi-Fi ESP8266 module to connect to a Wi-Fi and to connect to the internet, so we can use it in a Blink application. And we are using Arduino Uno module, and we are using a 2-channel relay system to connect it with the solenoid valve and pump the water to the soil. So I'll show the system now. Hello.
I'm listening.
This is the NodeMCU module, which supplies the power to the Arduino system. It also acts as a Wi-Fi module, so we can connect it. We can connect it to the Ethernet, internet, and this is the Arduino Uno module. So we have connected the Arduino module with the soil moisture sensor, and this is the relay module. So we have to connect it to the solenoid valve. Still, we haven't connected this to the solenoid valve because we are facing some problems with it. So now Sridhar will explain the connections and the code we have used for this project, sir, and also about the Blink application.
Right.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, Vishal, will you show the board? Sir, here soil moisture sensor will connect it to the Arduino ground board, sir. There 3 pins are there, sir, to the soil moisture sensor. One is connected to the ground, and another one is connected to the analog pin, and third one is connected to the VCC. In both in Arduino and in soil moisture. Here analog pin is A1, sir, and then node MCU is connected to the Arduino board. There pins are TX and RX are there. TX is connected to the in Arduino 2, and in RX is connected to the third pin, and power supply. For power supply, we are using the laptop connection. Then the node MCU is go to the Arduino, and Arduino will go to the relay board. Relay board will connect it to the um, solenoid valve. Now I will Vishal will show the code, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there are 2 codes are there, sir. For Arduino, one code, and the for node MCU, one code. It is for Node MCU, sir. Here it's explaining where we are connecting and to which pin we are connecting. That authentication is the authentication token, which is given by the Blink application, and SSID is the username, and password we are using for safety purpose. In Arduino code, there are in Arduino code we are using a yum sensor. It is the master sensor which is connected to the A1, and M value is stored as 0. It will store the values, sir. And for relay we are using 13 and 12 pin, and then code will go like this, sir. Now we will show the Blink application, sir. In Blink application, when we are getting 1,000 value, it means that in water is not there, sir. Means soil master is not detecting water, sir. And when it comes to the 300 to 400, 500, the water level is present in the soil. It's a Blink application, sir. We are given the SoilMaster as a project name, and we are using a it's a gauge which is showing the value 1023 like that. Now it is the SoilMaster is outside, so it's showing a 1023, and when he put it in water, it's showing 465, 461 like that, sir.
Good. See, that value we have to rectify. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening? Vishal and Sridhar.
Yes, sir.
That value you should rectify, that's our first thing. And what's the other thing is your experiment has become a routine thing. It's not taking any different issues. Means it become ordinary like Murugesh and what Nidhi did. No, in that yours is just a part. Think and you change something which is not there in their projects. Today you are seeing their projects demo also. You change. What you are going to change, you intimate both of them and you change. And you show one new thing. Either you can do the precision. All three of you, no one has did the precision of the agricultural model. What I have shown you in activity class. Anybody can apply this discussing yourself. That is keeping 1 month of data of the dryness of a soil. So if you keep like that, so how you can predict overall month and next month what will be the situation? So 3 months summer will be there and 3 months winter will be there like that. And the rainy season will be there. So in 1 week or 1 month, the predictions you can do either a week wise or a month wise or a day wise. In the morning, how the condition of soil will be there, the dryness or this. Coming to the afternoons, how it will be there, and in evening, how the wetness of the things will be there. Actually, when the drip system should be on, depending on the different seasons like summer, winter, and the rainy season. So this is very much important. Entire project it will take you in other way. Means you will become a boss. Always. Anybody can do these type of sensors connecting and these type of projects. Even 8th standard student, if you tell how to connect and all for just 1 week, and he will do a project. How to switch on the motor and small LEDs and all within 5 volts is working. But when it comes to the real time, that you have to think everyone. Of three of you should think that when it comes to the real time, what will be there? Even that cradle, Totilo. When it comes to the real time, real Totilo ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What will be? How much motor we should use? sorry, based on a baby weight, how much motor we should use, ತೂಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. All these things now will become a practical sense. So you should think always in that way. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಟೈಪ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, but when it comes in full fledged, when you have, somebody has to appreciate you that in full fledged you have made that what is the practical implementation, that is very much important here. Are you thinking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vishal, Sridhar, Murugesh, Prashant, Murugesh,
Yes, sir.
Nidhi, Spurti. So all of you can think on precision agriculture system. If you want, you can see the video once again, and you can see how a predictions can be done. Right.
Okay, sir.
There should be some differences, at least some difference should be there between this one. All of you three. Next project is Sadhana and Kavya, IoT based water quality management system using Arduino. This is a one project which I am waiting. No. Before that, wait. Before that, Vidyarani and Mani, automatic water dispensary. Afterwards, right?
Yes.
Now you can start. Who is that? Mani and Vidyarani.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, my
Good morning. Where is Mani?
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Yes. Both of you,
Sir.
how you are representing?
Sir?
How you are representing? How you are giving a demo?
Sir, I'll explain about the project and I'll show the connection, sir. Tamil will explain about coding and mobile parts, sir.
Okay, ma. Done.
Sir, our project topic is automatic water dispenser, sir. Here our main object is to replace manual taps using smart ones, sir. Here, 1 second, I'll project. Can you see? Is it visible, sir?
Yes, ma.
So here we are using Arduino UNO and N-channel MOSFET, ultrasonic sensor, solenoid valve, sir. Here, sir, really solenoid valve ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು it will control the water flow, sir. ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಜನರೈಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಜನರೈಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ and ಇಲ್ಲಿ
What is it? Which sensor that is?
this is ultrasonic sensor, sir.
That I know. What is the next part you have shown?
MOSFET, sir.
ಏನದು?
Device, sir. ಇದು ಸಾಲಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್.
Very good.
It has 3 pins, sir. Gate pin ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು it is gate pin ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್. 1 second.
ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಇದು and then ultrasonic sensor ನ ಇವಾಗ 10 centimeters ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಜನರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಜನರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್. I'll present the code, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಆ ವಾಟ್ರೇ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್. ನಾನು
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ನೀವು ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಿದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹೌ ದ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ನಾಡಲ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಒಂದು 9 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಅಡ್ಡ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರಿಗೂ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಂತೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿದು. ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಣಿ?
Yes sir.
Practical implementation is very much important. Putting into some dispensary or making a box and connecting to dispensary and putting this one means hand automatically or means glass automatically water should come out. Think on that. Next time I want to show you have to show like that. What is the mobile part in this?
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಈ ತರ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಅದೇನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ, you should mold that to the dispensary. ನಾನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Sure sir.
Okay, you can explain code now, Mani.
Sir, the program starts with the macro definition, sir. We have a trigger, echo for ultrasonic sensor, LED and MOSFET gate sensor. Inside the setup function, we declare which pins are input and which pins are output. Inside the main loop, we call for the function called measure distance, sir. This function measure distance uses ultrasonic sensor to measure distance of an object in front of it, sir. Once the distance is calculated, we compare the distance using simple if statement. If distance is less than centimeters, we make the LED and MOSFET gate pin to go high. The following statement make the LED and MOSFET to go low, sir. Told in the program, please.
Come down, ma, Vidya.
Sir, to measure distance using ultrasonic signal, first the trigger held low for 2 microseconds, then trigger held high for 10 microseconds, and again trigger for 20 microseconds. This will send a sonic blast of ultrasonic signals into the air.
Distance is equal to time into 340 divided by 20,000. What is this formula? Mani?
Sir, this one to measure distance, sir, using sensor. The reflected scoping will pick up the reflected signal, sir. This is the coding part.
Okay, but what I told, no, you have to put into the model and you have to show clearly.
Okay.
Yes sir, toorsತೀವಿ sir next time.
Hi. Done. Okay, you can leave now. Means leave the presentation. Now, Sadhana and Kavya, IoT based water quality management. This is the one of the project I am expecting rather than agriculture. This is the one water quality management. It's a good project.
Sir, Kavya will explain.
Where is Kavya?
Sir, I'm here, sir. I'll be starting with introduction.
Good.
Okay, sir. As you know, our project project is water quality monitoring system. It is based on IoT. As we know that the biggest fears is the water pollution here. So in order to ensure, the safe supply of drinking water, the water quality, it should be monitored. So here we are developing the real-time monitoring of water quality in IoT. So it consists of several sensors which is used to measure the physical and chemical parameters of the water. So the parameters, as I said, such as temperature, pH, and turbidity, and the flow of the water. So we are using pH sensor, turbidity sensor, temperature sensor, and flow sensor. So when it comes to pH, we know the pure water has the 7 pH value, which is less than that is acidic, and more than that will be alkaline. So the water pH ranges between 0 to 14. In our project, it is going to measure that, and pure water pH is almost between 6.5 to 8.5. So which will be measured. And when it comes to turbidity, what turbidity means is the large number of suspended particles inside the water, which is invisible, which is not visible to our naked eyes, but present in the water. When it comes to higher the turbidity in the water, there's the chances of the diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and other diseases. So it is very important to measure the turbidity in the water to avoid these kind of diseases. And we know the temperature, whether water is hot or not. So this is about the sensor and a project. So the rest will be explained by Sadhna.
Sir, I will show the. Sir, I will show the modules.
ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಧನಾ I can't hear you.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes.
This is Arduino board, sir. And this is Wi-Fi module. And this is turbidity.
What is that?
Turbidity sensor, sir.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Turbidity sensor.
Turbidity sensor. Okay.
Okay. Wait, I'll show you this.
Sure.
This is flow sensor, sir. It means water is full or empty. It will measure the water level.
Yeah. Okay.
Once it is goes up means water is full. Once it goes down means water is empty.
Yeah.
Then this is pH. This is pH sensor. This is detect the chlorine, bleach, and salt, lemon. This kind of. This one. This is turbidity. The mud level and all it will measure, sir. And this is temperature sensor.
Okay, ma'am.
Right now it is not working actually, sir. I am working on it. Some code issues are there. I will develop it, sir. I will show the code.
It's not working.
No, sir.
It has to work. One of the good project.
Yeah, sir. Working on it. We are working on it, sir. I had some problem with the code, sir.
Show me the code.
One second, sir.
No.
So can you please
Yeah. No.
This is Arduino board code, sir. Here, in this one, I am calling the functions turbidity, temperature, and pH, and flow status. From that, I am taking the value from each and every module and each and every sensor to Arduino. And temperature, I'm taking from Celsius and Fahrenheit and converting to I'm taking the raw values and converting into Celsius and Fahrenheit. Here I'll show you. Here it is. Can you see, sir?
Yeah.
Then pH value also. pH value means usually we get 4, 7, 6 like that. Only we can understand what is 4, what is 7. And I'm trying to convert into a string value so that everyone will understand what is there in a water. And it is clean or it has some salt content or some lemon content like that. This is float status. Water is empty or full, it will show like that. I will show the another one, sir, once again.
Sadhana.
Yes, sir.
And Kavya, I'm having a lot of expectation on this particular project. Why is today the essential of water quality management is very important, and whatever sensors you are using, it's very good. If you see, you have to think in an enlarged way. This project is worth to go for even patent also if you do correctly. What is my intention? I'm telling you today. No water purifier is telling about the condition of our water presently. What is that, and means how it is. Means what will be the pH value presently, and what are that floating obstacles? What you told that. These things, especially in large pipelines, especially in cities like corporations, somewhere that water they are purifying and they are sending. So until what stage the water in a pipe will be qualitized. So this is a major problem in corporations we are facing today. What I mean to tell you, I am very clear on telling this. You take example of Bangalore city. When the Kaveri water, when it is coming and in Kengeri, there is a plant, and there the water purification will be done, and that purified water is circulated throughout the city. Like this, surrounding a city, 3 water purifiers are there. But what about the other places? For example, assume when it comes around the Vijayanagara and crosses the area, means some 15 kilometers, when it crosses the area, based on environment and a pipeline, the water can become contaminated. So how to check this? This is a problem. Very often at the 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers once, if you put this type of an adapters, to check the water qualities, this will be good. You have to think in that particular way. Otherwise, you should think this is one way of representing your project. And another way of representing in your project is today no water purifiers are displaying the pH value of water and this whatever quality of water. Why can't you make a purifier with LCD frame or LED display that your purifier will tell what will be the pH value and what will be the things and all. When the membrane gets almost all, when dust will be there or carbon particles will be there in your water, you can tell the carbon filter has to be replaced. So like this, I mean, slight shifting, weaving of your project, shifting of your same sensors, same board, and same type of a code, just deviating into the code and making a mobile app. And the water purifier fellow will have an app in his hands that whenever this filter and all gets means to be replaced, a notification will be given. In your water, the pH value is varying from last 2 days. because of so and so reason, the carbon contaminated or some floating particles which is there in that. So you have to change the carbon membrane filter. Otherwise, if some water not at all purifying pH value is still increasing, then you have to change the membrane what is there in your RO filter. Like that, if you give automatic notifications to the user, assume that in my house I am having a Kent RO filter. The Kent RO filter is not at all, I don't know that until the water taste will vary, means as I feel like that, means it's changing the taste of a water, then only I will think something happened to this purifier. Until then, no, I don't see that. If carbon filter has been gone, if it doesn't replace the carbon filter, automatically entire contamination will go to the membrane and it will damage the membrane in a purifier. So before itself, when you check, when you replace the carbon membrane in a purifier, then automatically the life of a main membrane, whatever RO membrane which is there in a filter, the life will increase. So this is lot of advantages is there if you give a notification to the user that you have, with this time you have to change based on pH value and based on that. What are same sensors? If you adapt the same concept in a water purifier, it's very, very good. And we can go for even patent level. If you do this, it's not a joke. I think no water purifier, I never saw any advertisement of a water purifier with this particular concepts. So if it is in a cost range, it will be very good. Sridevi madam.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
What is your opinion, madam, about my idea?
Correct, sir. That is actually risky also if at all that monitoring is not done properly.
Yes. So drinking.
So that will be very say important and useful project.
Yeah.
At this time.
Yes, Sadhana, tell your opinion, Sadhana, now.
Sir, actually, I'm using very basic sensors, sir. For that and all, we need high-end sensors. Means a pH sensor and all, we have to put full sensor in water so that it won't get harm for that sensor. No, waterproof sensor we have to use for that. What I'm using is very basic sensor, sir. It can't put in a water.
So, but the thing is, adding on to you, we are not purifying the water here. As you said, once the water gets purified, we don't know until what range the water will be purified. Until when the people receives the water, whether it is purified or not, we can implement this. Even that normal people will also get to know what is the pH of water. We will mention here the normal pH range is between 0 to 14, and the pure water should have in between 7. And it will also show whether which content is there, like salt is there. It not only shows the pH value. In the if there is a pH value of 6 is salt, it will definitely show it is salt content is there. So we can implement this. We are just going with the very basic things here.
Yes, sir.
As you said, we can implement this.
Which you can see. I agree with you people. You are using a basic sensors and all, and you are telling that we are not viewed in that way. Viewing in that way, view it, not a problem. And you can tell it's a prototype which we have did, and this can be implemented. See, after purification of RO water, only you have to check what is the pH value. Not a problem. Why? Because monitoring of that water is very much important day to day. And if you monitor day to day of that particular water, if pH values, suddenly pH value may increase due to some carbon membrane like that, you just Google how the water purifier will work, then automatically you will get an idea. It's not so big. Whatever same sensors we have used, just you can tell this is a prototype. If you apply this, definitely you can do the water purifier with that. And if we go for a patent on that, the fellow who likes this particular project, he will come to you and he will tell, I will give the investment to you and you can purchase a very good sensors and you can do. You have to think in that way. Prototype ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಏನು?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can do it prototype, but in real time it is very difficult to implement.
ನಾನು real time ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. See, I am very clear. Idea is very much important. See, my children, always you should know this. The idea is very much important. You know, even your idea can be a patented, and you can get a patent for your idea also. This is very much important. You show the methodology and you tell, with this methodology I can analyze whether carbon filter is working or not and RO membrane is working or not. For this what you have to just add up, no, Sadhana and Kavya, you have to do a literature survey on water purifiers. That's the sense. Means how the water purifier will work, sir. What is the work of the carbon filter and what is the work of the UV filter and RO filter. These three filters, if you come to know that, definitely if you add on these things to your project, we can go and apply for a patent through the department. And don't worry about that, college will take care. In college, separate department is there for patents and all. Just I need a prototype and you should aim your goal like this. Means ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಲಿಟರೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶ್ರಮ ಬಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ನೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈವನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯರ್ಗೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. Now, the next group is Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Ashish and with you, Sai Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Smart parking system.
Yes, sir. Smart parking system, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I will explain.
We'll go with the introduction, sir, and Siddharth will give the demo, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, basically this project is meant to develop for the supervisor. I mean, it helps to locate the customer which slot is empty and which slot is occupied, sir. Because the traffic just, it increases doubles or triples every quarterly rate. So, for getting the right information about parking space, this project helps you to guide to the free parking spot, and it helps to reduce the money, time waste and everything, sir.
Okay, start.
Sir, basically we can do. Hello.
Sir,
basically we can do with the other software also, sir. But especially in IoT, sir. ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ ಐತಂತ. ಅದೇ IoT ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಅದು ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೋಡ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಸರ್?
ಕೋಡ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. camera, put it straight.
Okay, sir.
Adu.
Sir, network issue is sir.
Yeah, I know that. Show me. Don't check the camera. I can't see your code.
Sorry, sir.
అలాగే ఉండు. I can't see.
ಸರಿ ಇವಾಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ
ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಕೋಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡಿನೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು UNO 3 ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಐಆರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಈ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ತೋರ್ಸಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4-5 ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಸಿಗಕದ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗೋಲ್ತು ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೀಳಕತ್ತದ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ
ಸರ್? ಅದು ಆಪ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, in Blink app, by using that switch button, sir, we are developing 4 slots in which it will tell the supervisor which slot is empty. I mean, he can see the slots through the Blink app, sir. We have done through USB, sir, but as an IoT project, we are trying through Wi-Fi module, sir.
See, if you do Wi-Fi model, lot of advantage is there. What I mean to tell you, assume Ashish and Sai Siddharth, when I'm leaving my house itself, assume I'm going into Majestic area, there if I click your app in a Majestic area, it has to show how many parking slots are there. In that parking slots, in the parking areas are there in Majestic, it has to show. And in that parking area, if I click one area, in that area, it has to show how many parking slots are free presently. So if you this is able in your app. This is one of the very important today in city traffics. Where I will get a parking after going to that area or on a road. If this doesn't get a parking, to park my car itself, I should keep on roaming until I will get that parking place. So I will never know that another parking area is there where parking slots is vacant, so nearby. So that things I doesn't know. Think in that vast way.
Sir, actually that's a good idea, sir, but it makes the project complex, sir.
Okay, for now you can, in a conclusion, you can put a future announcement, you can put. But for a 6th semester also, it's not like that. You can predict that how many vehicles daily coming and how many vehicles parking is there and how many parking areas is getting filled in what time. And in the city, in what time the parking areas will be filled, how many parking areas will be needed, still more in the city. Analysis like this, predictions like this will make, especially in a smart city, in IoT I'm explaining smart cities also. In a smart city, this plays a very important role. The parking of vehicles in a city, that too in a heavy traffic situations. You think in that vast way, at least you can project your project. Means in that way.
We are thinking from the owner point of view, sir, not from the user point of view. Like in most updated metropolitan cities, they were there are some separate parking areas, sir. Like in India, we don't have any separate parking spaces now, sir. Like everyone will go to mall or something, complex or something. They will find a parking slot there, sir. So it's better to think from the owner point of view. As everyone come to the mall, they will find the parking space, sir.
Mall, okay, but what about in a city? It's not a mall, as well.
Okay, sir. But in city, then we have to implement the from the user point of view, sir. That will be the great advancement.
Yeah, that I'm telling you. Think in that way also. Once it's okay, but you are not in the to the extent what I am expecting. Ashish and Siddharth, you are not in hurry. Means you are not done how much I have expected. You have to do both of you.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting?
Yes.
November 3rd again full demo you have to give. Keep in your minds.
Yes, sir.
Next project, Pratibha and Gaurish Nayak. Surveillance camera with motion capture.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ibru idira?
Sir.
Start ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, I will give you the introduction of our project. Sir, our project is surveillance camera with motion capture. This is an Arduino based project. Today we are making very cheap surveillance motion capture camera using Arduino and camera module OV7670. This is a cheap camera, security camera. Then sir, you can watch live video feed on the web browser by entering the IP address of Arduino. It will record and save the video whenever detects the motion or any disturbance area. It will keep recording video until the some motion detector. Then it stops and save the file. Sir, hardware components are there. Arduino UI, then PIR motion detector. PIR motion detector, sir. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನ ಅಲ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಬಜರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಟ್ರೂಷನ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್.
Yes, sir. So we are using Arduino board. It's a PIR motion sensor. It's a camera Vivo 7670. Yeah, we are using to give sound. Whenever the motion detects, the buzzer will sound, sir. Here is the code, sir. In code, the code is for PIR motion sensor and for buzzer, but is some errors we getting.
Error getting still.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಂಬಡಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಗೌರೀಶ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೂಷನ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ಏನಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸರ್ವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವಿತ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಗೆ ಬದಲು ಇಂಟ್ರೂಷನ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ IoT ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ಸಾಲದು
I'm not sure.
ಇನ್ನೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ.
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆ. Next project, Paresh and Shashank, virtual assistants, Raspberry Pi.
Good morning, sir.
One nimsha.
So our project is virtual assistant, sir. So the main objective of this project is that we'll be using a voice module where it will recognize a voice.
Pratibha, you muted. Pratibha, mute madamma. Shashank, start.
Yes, sir. So our project is voice assistant where it will recognize a voice and read the commands which we tell it, and it will perform the task. So what we're using is a voice recognition software where it uses Google text to speech, sir. So once it recognizes a voice, it starts acting on the command. So I'll share you the circuit diagram. So is the presentation visible, sir? Sir?
Visible.
Okay, sir.
Shashank, visible.
Yes, sir. So this is the Raspberry Pi board that we're using, sir. And also we'll be using a 9 volts battery, sir. So the main objective of this project is so once it recognizes voices, it acts on a command. So a certain example is that we've used LED lights, sir. So what we'll be doing is, if suppose there's a command say turn on the light, the voice, it recognizes a voice based on the command we've given through the code, and then it turns on the lights, sir. And also this is one feature, sir. And the other feature is we'll be using a motor connected to a fan. Suppose a virtual assistant say Alexa, what it does, it recognizes her voices and performs tasks, play a song, something like that. So similar fashion, we've used two commands for now, which will be turning on the light and turning on the fan, sir. So Paresh will be showing you the demo of the project, sir.
Hello. Hello. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
Yes, Paresh, you can carry on.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir is away for a moment. He'll come. You can carry on.
Okay. So, ma'am, this project is basically about the APIs, ma'am. It's not only about the sensors, but also about APIs, because in today's industry, knowledge about API is must, ma'am. So, how do we connect to APIs and how do we fetch data from it? So,
Okay.
we for now we are using few APIs such as, I'll just give you a. Oh, okay. So ma'am, we have used four or five LED lights, ma'am. So this indicates that you can speak. So when this light is on, it means that you can ask whatever you want. And these are the home rooms like bathroom, room, hall. So like that. And this is the mic sensor. And we have connected the speaker through this thing, ma'am. Speaker is in down. So for now we have used a few APIs such as text to speech, ma'am. So text to speech is for it recognizes our voice and it converts it into text. And we have used train weather APIs and Wikipedia APIs for now, ma'am. So I'll just give you a demo. And the personal assistant name is Green. So yeah, I'll just give you a demo, ma'am. One second.
I'm your virtual assistant. I'm called Green. Just call my name whenever you need me.
Ma'am, can you hear the virtual assistant also?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Green. Hello, Green. Ma'am, give it a second because while capturing it doesn't capture the actual word because it's not a good quality microphone.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
It has taken.
Instead of green, it's taking bean and all. Like green.
You should have trained it, no?
Green. Sorry, ma'am.
You should have trained it with your accent.
Yeah, now it recognizes.
How can I help you?
Can you search something for me?
What do you want to know about?
Rahul Dravid.
Yes, sir is back. You can even.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Rahul Sharath Dravid, listen. On the 11th of January 1973, is a born Indian cricketer and captain of the Indian national team. He is the Director of Cricket Operations at National Cricket Academy, Bangalore, India.
The LED light it tells you when to speak and when not to speak, sir. So when it's turned on, it means that you can ask about anything you want, and when it's off, it means that it's processing at that part of time, sir. So for now, ಅದು ವಿಕಿದ API Wikipedia API ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಫೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್. JSON ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ we just take what information we want and we just make it to the text will be turned into MP3, sir. We have used LDAC API for that, and it turns to MP3 and it makes sure that voice through it repeats what you want, sir. So the rest bulbs are the like rooms, like room, bathroom, hall, atara. So it's not only fetches information, but also it can be used for home automation, sir. So for example, hey Green, green.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ
ಸರ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಲೈಕ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು ನೀನ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಮಾತಾಡು.
Hey Green.
Hey there, how can I help you?
Can you turn on the kitchen light? ಅದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್, like give it some time.
ಆಯ್ತು.
The kitchen light on.
ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಿಚನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ ನಾನು LED ಇಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಡಿ ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ LED ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ
ಬೇಡ, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ AC ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
ಓಕೆ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ನೌ ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಕು.
ಈಗ ನೀನ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೋಬೋದ? ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ರಾಹುಲ್ ದ್ರಾವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್.
ನೀವು ರಾಹುಲ್ ದ್ರಾವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir. ಅದು ವಿಕಿಪೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ರಾಹುಲ್ ದ್ರಾವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ.
ಬರೀ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳು.
Green.
Hey there, how can I help you?
Can you search something for me?
What do you want to know about?
Rahul.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಸರ್? ರಾಹುಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಿತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಬುದ್ಧದು ಯಾರು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಪರೇಶ್.
When you say Rahul, it's talking about the name Rahul. Just bari Indian name Rahul ಬಗ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
I know. See, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇದಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಆಪಲ್ and it should ask you that I am having two types of apple in me, means how many types? Two types of apple in me. One is a apple company and one is a fruit apple. On which one you want to know anta ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. For example, ನಾನು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I am having so many Rahuls in me. Which Rahul details you want ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ವಾಪಸ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಡೀಪ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮಿಷನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. You should if you focus on this particular small things, no, you will be apart from that. Now if I tell, for example, if I tell songs, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ವಿಚ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ API ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು.
ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Yeah, sir, got it.
Sir, we have another 3 to 4 APIs to add to the same project, sir. Good.
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕಂದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ
ಸರ್? ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Then it's okay, no need to do an app and all. Just you can talk to that directly. That's enough.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, we have to make it more specific ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. I'll try that, sir.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, then it should tell there, means in
so you're telling we should use the mobile microphone, sir?
Yeah, bulb on and off, fan on and off ಆಗೋ ತರ. Otherwise I can tell my refrigerator should on or washing machine should on, then automatically off.
ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, we'll try that. If possible ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
Okay.
So first we'll enhance this project, sir. We'll add 3 to 4 APIs, then we'll give you another demo, sir. Based on that, if something further is needed, we'll talk to you, sir.
Yeah, songs.
Okay.
That's good. And the last project for today's session is Nazma and Rajesh. Smart dustbin.
Good morning, sir.
Rajesh is not well, right?
Yes, sir. He's not well. Still, he's finished his isolation. Now he should be in quarantine, sir. So still.
Materials ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ?
Sir?
Materials ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ. I can show the photo, sir. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. I'll show that photo, sir.
Yeah, try.
I'll just present and I'll show, sir. This is what we have designed, sir. We have Arduino board. Are you able to see, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are using Arduino board and sensor and PR sensor and one LED board. Where when the dustbin is full, it will get the message from GSM SIM model. Where it directly shows to our mobile, like how we'll get normal messages to our phone. It shows like one pop-up message that your dustbin is full. Before that, we have using your LED board where we have shown that red color, green color, white color, which tells us when the dustbin is full, it blinks red color. When dustbin is not full, then it will show in green and even in white. And it will detect, even we are detecting the distance. If a person is near to the dustbin, we can fix that how much distance we have to maintain when the person is coming near to the dustbin. According to that, it will open the lid. And we can set the time also, at what time it should close the dustbin, at what time that lid should open and all. Then we are using here one more board, PC board, which will avoiding the direct current, sir.
Okay. That's it?
Yes, sir. This is what we till now we did, sir. After that, as I said, he's not feeling well. So our project is full done, sir. Now we have just put it in dustbin, sir. Now we have to design that, sir.
You have to design that and you have to show in an app. SMS.
Sir, app means we have only one message, no, sir. For one message, we how to develop that, sir? We are getting only one message from the from that is dustbin is full. That is only one, sir. It can be in the normal message also, no, sir. So I think we no need to use mobile application there, sir. Since anyhow it is coming to our mobile only. ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ಸ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದು ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತರ ಫೋನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
ಅದು ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
November 3rd ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes sir, he'll be fine sir by that time.
I think all projects you have given, almost all. I think so, right? Anybody pending? No. Anybody pending?
Sir, Pratik here.
Hey Pratik, ಏನೋ ನಿಂದ ಅವತಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯನೋ?
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ sir, actually ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಸರ್. So I was not able to attend the classes and all.
Oh,
So
okay, got it.
So I have given very less contribution in my project, but I am trying to develop only application coding part and all. So that's my problem, sir. So only I was not unable to attend it.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ. ಅವ್ರ ವಾಸಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡು.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, done. Everyone, if any doubts is there, you can ask me. And one thing I want, when you are ready, that I can have a discussion of errors detection with two persons are there. One is Arinath, sir, our college only. Another one is Chandrakant. Two are there. So they know very well about the boards and all. So they will do even debugging and all. So when you are free, when we can do that stage of an representation, if you tell, that will be good enough. Are you getting what I'm telling you? Hello, students? Students?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I'm telling you? When we can fix that? You must be ready with your full project, this one. Third, anyway, November 3rd full demo is there, no? For that, I will call them as a judges. Later on, we will see. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Everyone are doing on your level best. Still, you have to work hard and you have to do well. Okay? Huh?
Yes, sir.